Ahilan here. Welcome to the channel. I got some exciting news for you today. I've just released a brand new course for beginners, and that's the Mastering Kindle Self-Publishing with Amazon for Beginners. You can find it on Udemy. It's a beginner's course for anybody who's really new to the space of self-publishing and making money online. You want to check out this beginner's course. I know there's been a lot of students messaging me, and they're on the fence, and they're not ready to make the commitment to PIPA. Now, PIPA stands for Passive Income Publishing Academy, and they're just saving up money so that they can have enough to join Passive Income Publishing Academy. So in the meantime, I've made another alternative that you can check out in the meantime, which is this new beginner's course. Again, this course is geared towards beginners who are just new to the space, where I will teach you the basics and help you build a strong foundation. And then from there, when you're ready to make that commitment to PIPA, you can join Passive Income Publishing Academy and enroll. So let's go over the overview of actually, before I get into the overview of the course, I want to show you some of the social proof that I have. I already have a bunch of students who've joined and many more to come. You can check out the reviews yourself. These are all real reviews that I got from students who have joined the course and have gone through the course. So as you can see, we have a review over here. This course helped clarify some things for Kindle publishing. Joel Cooper, excellent course for beginners, straight to the point, and teaches you the fundamentals of Kindle publishing. I'm amazed at the earning potential that's made possible through Amazon self-publishing. Definitely recommend this to anyone starting out or beginners looking for a crash course that's straight to the point. Amani Ali, it is useful and helpful course. I like it. Short and sweet. And then we have another review over here. No comment though. But again, a lot of students are very pleased with the beginner's course content. And again, this course is geared towards beginners. If you're more on the experienced side and you've been following me for any number of time, I would suggest you join PIPA, the best nonfiction course on the market, and that's for more advanced and strategic tips to find for self-publishing, and as well as to help you build a long-term sustainable self-publishing empire, right? So that's all for the reviews. Again, all five-star reviews. And again, if you're interested in this course, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for both. Actually, I'll leave a link in the description for the Mastering Kindle Self-Publishing with Amazon for Beginners crash course, and as well as for Passive Income Publishing Academy. So let's go over the course overview, right? So as you can see, it's not expensive at all. It's on discount price. I put it on Udemy, and Udemy always runs discounts, so you can. It's a very affordable cost, right? It's $15, basically $14.99 Canadian. I think that's even cheaper if you're American or in Europe, actually, because your currency is a lot higher. Their currencies are a lot higher, I should say. So again, affordable, 5-star rating. What more can I say? It's a steal, it's a deal, it's something worth your time checking out. If you're willing to invest, $10 to $15, I'd say check out this beginner's course, this crash course that you'll find extremely helpful. So let's go over the overview. So I talk about, my story, my personal success with Kindle publishing, the course overview, how to sign up and get an account, how to create a pen name. I go over niche research. I go over keywords and SEO. Now, keywords arguably are one of the most important aspects to Kindle publishing, so I do cover that in this beginner's course. Keywords in conjunction with Amazon marketing, I should say, is the most important components to Kindle publishing. And then I go over, where to get your book covers designed. I give you ghostwriting companies and freelancing websites you can use. I also provide you discount codes that you can save money on using these companies. So once you go and order your book, just apply the discount code I provide and you'll save some money. I believe it's between 5 and 10% of your order. So Amazon marketing, I talk about KDP Rocket. I give you the 5 top mistakes you want to avoid that newbie publishers make. You want to avoid getting banned. You want to avoid getting terminated, because Kindle publishing is an opportunity that can change your life, and you want to keep your account in compliance and good standing with Amazon. So I go over those tips you need to avoid that a lot of beginners actually make these mistakes and get their accounts banned. And then I go into building a brand, how to create 3 streams of income from one book, ACX sign up, so how to get an ACX account, and as well as a bonus a bonus lesson where I talk about the business tips and hacks. This lesson in particular, I haven't even included in Passive Income Publishing Academy yet, but this lesson in particular just talks about the more of the business and accounting side of Kindle publishing, and just my advice and opinion on things you should look into do, like incorporating corporations, how to save money with taxes, etc. So I go over all that good stuff in that last bonus lesson. So again, if you haven't joined, I would highly recommend you join. Again, if you're a beginner, this is something worth checking out. You want to, if you're just on the fence, you don't know what course, to choose, I would say, if you're a beginner, get your feet wet, try out the crash course for mastering Kindle self-publishing with Amazon for beginners, and then from there, when you're ready, make the commitment to Passive Income Publishing Academy. Now, Passive Income Publishing Academy, the big advantage with that course, it's definitely a bit more pricier. However, you do get the private Facebook group where all my students are found in, and they're finding it extremely helpful. And again, it's a close-knit community that we work together, we answer each other's questions, and again, we sharpen each other with sharing tips and strategies that you won't find on any YouTube channel, right? So that's going to be all for this video. So again, if you're interested to join a course where you can learn the ropes, I would highly recommend you check out Mastering Kindle Self-Publishing with Amazon for Beginners crash course. Or if you're more in the experience side and you want to take your publishing to the next level, check out PIPA. I'll leave a link for both these courses down in the description. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.